Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. It's been a very long time since the last used one of audio, because well, I never had a microphone, but now that I do. But there is one consequence to it, and it's that all the audio becomes distorted. For the game, I'm gonna eventually try making it high quality. I tried, but it didn't work, so I'm gonna need to deal with what we have. Though we're playing TwIsTeD. I have not played this game in a good few months because been busy, plus just never really cared for because it didn't really got burnt out, shall I say. There, I turned the volume up, but listen to how horrible it sounds. It sounds horrible. Well, whatever. And I did the Halloween event and got more interceptors. Like a tornado attack, that was pretty cool. Didn't care for it too much though. Dorothy, I've not actually really used this one. But my favorite one that I received was this one, Tiv 2. Plus, I got the Spooky Edition, which I'm going to use. It sounds horrible. Really, the morning of the game, so we're going to have like a Argylin day, so we're not going to have much activity, unfortunately. But whatever. I'll cut it out for you, but we're going to wait until the storm shows up. Finally, we have a storm that's finally forming. It's been about, like, 10 minutes real time. I have been waiting forever for this thing. And it's finally here. You probably don't realize it, but I actually, like, drove a good distance, just wondering about waiting. I wasn't just sitting in that parking spot the whole time. Let's see. Where's its general path gonna be? It is going to end up going off the map, I'm pretty sure. Just by the direct. Oh, no, I forgot how it worked. That arrow right there. That represents the direction it's moving in, so it's really just gonna be going like that. So I'm just gonna wait it out here, really, to be honest, because it's pretty much gonna come right by Prior Lake, so I'm just gonna chill here. Alright, we got the rotation beginning to form, the mismatch color. Plus, it's inside. Give it a second to load. It is inside the hook. So it's going to be forming a tornado soon, but not yet. Although it might not last very long. But it seems like it'll probably hit Prior Lake at some point, so we can just pretty much just stay here. It is. Okay, finally got the rotation label. It definitely appears to be heading in Prior Lake direction. But we'll see what the TVS warning says. Or not TVS, but like the warning issue says the direction it will be moving. And it should be alerted on the radar by now because the alarm's going off in the car. But it's not.
Medina County, north central Kisota. National Weather Service Doppler
It is so loud. Oh my gosh, that hurt my ears.
Damaging winds.
Okay, it says it moving northeast. So. Okay. Okay, yeah. It's about the trajectory I have expected it to be. But since it's not a long lasting tornado, probably we are going to get into its path already. So you kind of need to angle yourself just right. Which appears to be about here. So I'm gonna go ahead and deploy, place this down, even though it's probably not really ready for it. I don't care. Should be fixing to get in its path. And there's this big old dust cloud. Really, I didn't need to deploy. It's just really a habit, to be honest. There we go. Just as predicted. It was going to go through Prior Lake. So now it has a new trajectory. So, what we're going to do is we're actually going to head straight after my things finish deployed. Undeployed. Let's go, boys. There is a new storm forming on top of it, which is interesting to say the least. And that is a huge tornado. That is actually beautiful, to be honest. That is beautiful. And that lightning was so loud. And it is very strong. So I'm gonna need to quickly get to trajectory so I can intercept this bad boy. Which actually would be a bit too late. I'm still not gonna make it. Okay. It is right here. Now I need to like quickly get in my car. It's literally right there. I can see it. Oh, and of course it weakened down as soon as it got on top of me. Of course it did. Of course it did. What is that little guy doing back there? Whatever. There it is. It for real just like it's lifting now, but for real it's just like going away. But we have a new rotation coming in. So let's go there. Here's the funnel. Fire truck, all car. I'd say about where those people are. I'll say actually where I am, maybe a little bit more back. Is right where it's gonna go. It is having so much trouble forming. It has a multi-vortex. Oh my gosh, that is the second car that just picked me up and I'm trying to run. Please, just let me in my car. Can that dude shut up?
Cherokee County in north central Keysota. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Almora. East at 40 miles per hour.
She's here.
Cherokee Village. Almora.
And the winds are
To be
definitely
during a
picking
tornado
up.
is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available,
Possibly
seek
deploying isn't
shelter on
half
the
a bad
lowest
idea.
floor of the building. Shelter is available.
Never mind, it's already
Plant in the
lifting.
nearest ditch.
Or
Find a low
wait a
spot
minute.
and cover your head with your hands.
Oh, the one in Hazelton has actually set down another one. Is unfortunately heading straight for the radar. Hopefully it's not too strong to knock out the radar, because then it would be impossible to look at what I need to look at. Since we're at Hazelton, we're actually going to check out that tornado and see if it damaged the radar or anything. Because with no radar, this is going to be infuriating to deal with. Okay, the radar is still up, which is good, obviously. But I don't know if any surrounding areas, so I wish they are not, because I see debris. So we're just gonna kind of like chill out here a little bit, maybe chase the other one. Eventually we could grab out the drone when it gets brighter outside, because it's pitch black. Other one that's gonna kind of heading towards our direction, which is good. You basically just need to turn around and be right on trajectory. Yep, there it goes. Tornado warning, so we should probably head about right here at Keysota 2 sinus. Okay, we're right on the path. Now it's really just a matter of waiting for it to come across us. Which won't take too long, but yeah.
To see. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado.
Okay, it's
Take
getting
cover
real
now.
close, so just gonna move up a little bit more, and then I probably need to deploy. And then we place down the probes. One right there. And this one back here in case it passes us. From back there, my assumptions were wrong, which they probably are. Oh yeah, you can see it. Look at the road. And it just changed trajectory the last second. Because of course it did.
The National Weather Service in Hazelton.
That's okay, we should get good enough.
Tornado warning for Medina County, north central Keysota. Doppler radar indicated a tornado on the ground near Turkey Village. Doppler radar showed this tornado moving east at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Bush, Jamal.
Okay, we're gonna be right in the center of it.
Heavy rainfall may cause this tornado, making it extremely difficult.
Oh yeah, we are right now.
Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Take cover now. To an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle,
Uh-oh.
move to the closest
There
substantial shelter
he
to
goes.
protect yourself from flying debris.
We got to 104. And was our only place to pick up. Oh wow. $124, $125. There it goes. Highest reading was 125. Put that in chat. And I believe it's gonna be gone. I always like to make sure the winds come down a little bit. Which is good enough now. It is going to be leaving the map soon. Oh, but it keeps getting stronger.
Floor of a sturdy building. If you are
Okay, I think we're
outdoors,
gonna head
in a
towards the
mobile home,
Jamal
or in
area.
a vehicle, move to the
stuff. Moving. There we go. Alright. So we're gonna head towards Jamal area, or however you call it, Jamal. I don't care how it's pronounced, but we're going. Okay, we're not gonna make it, so might as well turn back around and do some damage surveys over in Hazleton. Heck, maybe even the one that just passed. Alright, so it appears that some of these houses have gotten the roof peeled off, kind of like that one right there. But it doesn't look like there's actually that much. Oh, never mind. There's actually a lot. Definitely could be worse. And those trees fall the closer I get to them because of the drone. It's pretty weird, but whatever. Yeah, it just seems like a few houses lost the roof. The most amount of damage from here is right here. Or even the road has had some effects, shall we say. And also the stop signs. But unfortunately, I'm going to get off for now. And by that I mean this episode is done. I'll see you guys next time. Let me know if you like it. And please tell me, how do I fix this audio? Because I have to hear it through my headphones, not just you guys. And it's really annoying. And I hate it. Oh, and I just now noticed, look at that. Look at that cool little feature in the light. That is face casualty.